In today's world, where air pollution is a growing concern, it is essential to create a healthy and clean environment in our homes. One effective way to achieve this is by incorporating air-purifying plants into our living spaces. These plants have the remarkable ability to filter out harmful toxins and pollutants from the air, improving its quality and promoting better health. In this comprehensive guide, we will explore the top air-purifying plants, their benefits, and how to incorporate them into your home to create a fresh and rejuvenating atmosphere. Why indoor air quality matters. Indoor air pollution is a pressing issue that can have detrimental effects on our health. According to studies, the air inside our homes can be significantly more polluted than the air outside, mainly due to various factors such as poor ventilation, synthetic building materials, and household chemicals. Prolonged exposure to indoor pollutants can lead to respiratory problems, allergies, and even more severe health issues. Fortunately, nature provides us with a natural solution to combat indoor air pollution: air-purifying plants. These plants have the remarkable ability to absorb harmful toxins and release fresh oxygen, effectively cleansing the air and creating a healthier living environment. The NASA Clean Air study. The effectiveness of air-purifying plants in improving indoor air quality was first demonstrated in the NASA Clean Air study conducted in 1989. NASA scientists tested various plant species to determine their ability to remove common pollutants such as formaldehyde, benzene, xylene, ammonia, and trichloroethylene from the air. The study found that certain plants can effectively filter out these harmful pollutants, making them excellent choices for improving indoor air quality. Let's dive into the details of some of the best air-purifying plants that you can bring into your home. Spider plants, nature's air purifier. Spider plants, Chlorophytum comosum, are one of the most popular and effective air-purifying plants. These resilient plants are known for their ability to remove formaldehyde, a common indoor pollutant emitted by various household items such as carpets, furniture, and cleaning products. The spider plant's long, arching leaves make it an attractive addition to any space. It is also a low-maintenance plant that can thrive in both bright and low-light conditions. Spider plants are safe for pets and children, making them an ideal choice for households with furry friends or little ones. Peace lily, beauty and functionality. The peace lily, Spathiphyllum sp., is not only a beautiful flowering plant but also a powerful air purifier. It is known for its ability to remove a wide range of indoor pollutants, including formaldehyde, benzene, trichloroethylene, and ammonia. In addition to its air-purifying properties, the peace lily adds a touch of elegance to any room with its white flowers and lush green leaves. It thrives in low to medium light conditions and prefers regular watering to keep the soil moist. However, it is important to note that peace lilies are toxic to pets and should be kept out of their reach. The versatile philodendron, a natural air filter. Philodendrons are another popular choice for air purification. These versatile plants come in various species, each with its unique charm. Philodendrons are excellent at removing formaldehyde from the air, making them a valuable addition to your home. One of the most common philodendron species is the heartleaf philodendron, Philodendron hederaceum, known for its heart-shaped leaves and trailing vines. Another popular choice is the elephant ear philodendron, Philodendron domesticum, which features large, distinctive leaves. Philodendrons are relatively low-maintenance plants that can tolerate a wide range of light conditions, from low to bright indirect light. English ivy, a natural air purifier. English ivy, Heterohelix, is an iconic plant known for its ability to climb walls and trellises. Besides its aesthetic appeal, English ivy is also an excellent air purifier, effectively removing formaldehyde, benzene, xylene, and other pollutants from the air. This versatile plant can be grown in hanging baskets or trained to grow along walls or trellises. English ivy prefers cool temperatures and indirect light, making it an excellent choice for bathrooms or rooms with lower light levels. However, it is important to note that English ivy is toxic to pets and should be kept out of their reach. Snake plant, a hardy air cleanser. Snake plants, Sansevieria spp., are renowned for their resilience and air purifying properties. These hardy plants are excellent at filtering out formaldehyde, benzene, xylene, and trichloroethylene from the air, making them a valuable addition to any home. Snake plants come in various varieties, with unique leaf patterns and sizes. They can tolerate a wide range of light conditions, from low to bright indirect light, and require minimal watering. Snake plants are also safe for pets, making them a practical choice for households with furry friends. Areca palm, nature's air freshener. Areca palms, Chrysalidocarpus lutescens, are not only beautiful additions to your home decor but also powerful air fresheners. These palms are highly effective at removing indoor air toxins, including benzene, carbon monoxide, formaldehyde, trichloroethylene, and xylene. Areca palms thrive in bright, indirect light and require regular watering to keep the soil consistently moist. They can add a touch of tropical elegance to any space, making them a popular choice for living rooms and bedrooms. Incorporating air-purifying plants into your home to create a healthy indoor environment, it is recommended to have at least one air-purifying plant per 100 square feet of living space. This ensures sufficient air purification throughout your home. However, the exact number of plants may vary depending on the size of your space and the specific plants you choose. When selecting air-purifying plants, consider the lighting conditions, pet friendliness, and maintenance requirements that align with your lifestyle. It is also important to note that some plants may be more effective at removing certain pollutants than others. Therefore, incorporating a variety of plants can provide comprehensive air purification. To maximize the air purifying benefits of these plants, place them strategically in different areas of your home. For example, position spider plants near areas with potential formaldehyde sources, such as carpets or furniture. Place peace lilies in rooms where cleaning products are used frequently, and position snake plants in bedrooms to enhance air quality during sleep. Maintaining healthy indoor air quality. While air-purifying plants are valuable allies in maintaining healthy indoor air quality, they should be complemented by other practices to create a truly fresh and clean environment. Here are some additional tips to consider. 1. Regularly ventilate your home by opening windows and allowing fresh air to circulate. 2. Avoid smoking indoors and keep your home free from secondhand smoke. 3. Use natural cleaning products or opt for those labeled as environmentally friendly. 4. Keep your home clean and free from dust and allergens by regularly dusting and vacuuming. 5. Control humidity levels to prevent the growth of mold and mildew. 6. Install efficient air filters in your heating and cooling systems to trap airborne particles. By incorporating these practices alongside air-purifying plants, you can create a healthy and refreshing living environment for you and your family. Conclusion: breathing easy with air-purifying plants. In conclusion, air-purifying plants offer a natural and effective solution to combat indoor air pollution. These plants have the remarkable ability to filter out harmful toxins and pollutants, improving the quality of the air we breathe. By incorporating spider plants, peace lilies, philodendrons, English ivy, snake plants, and areca palms into your home, you can create a fresh and rejuvenating atmosphere. Remember to choose plants that suit your lifestyle and home environment, considering factors such as lighting conditions, pet friendliness, and maintenance requirements. Position the plants strategically throughout your home to maximize their air-purifying benefits. With the help of air-purifying plants and other healthy indoor practices, you can breathe easy, knowing that you are creating a clean and refreshing environment for you and your loved ones. So, why not bring a touch of nature into your home and enjoy the many benefits of these natural air filters? Breathe in, breathe out, and let the power of air-purifying plants transform your living space into a haven of fresh and clean air.